Hello everyone, this is Prince 111705. Just wanna make a quick video or updates and some opinion about Pacquiao versus Marquez 4. There are some news since yesterday that are telling that there are only 3,000 tickets remaining for their fourth fight against each other on December 8, 2012. And Bob Arum said that there are 13,000 tickets have already been sold during the opening weekend. Uh, so that's good for boxing. This only shows that even these two old fighters are still marketable and still have their star power. So, and it only shows that a lot of people thinks that this fourth match will be an interesting fight, and maybe I think the ticket sale is very much because of some of Pacquiao statement or interview in especially on ESPN, and Marquez statement that maybe this will be his last fight if he knock out Pacquiao. So that's it. Anyway, good for boxing because a lot of people um, bought the ticket and are willing to watch the fourth fight. Now, I have one opinion about this fight. I think Pacquiao should request or suggest that they will do random blood and urine tests for their fourth fight on December 8th, because this will send a good um, signal, or this will show that Pacquiao is willing to do random blood and urine tests anytime, anywhere, as he have said had said on ESPN. So I'm not suggesting that Marquez is doping or using a performance enhancing drugs, and I don't think that Pacquiao is using either, or he's using any illegal drugs also. So, but if he did or use random blood urine test and urine test on this fourth fight, on their fourth fight, this will prove a lot of critics wrong, and this will show and will help Pacquiao's legacy to be proven that he is a clean fighter, and is willing to do the random and urine test. Um, and After this fight, if somehow he wins and Floyd is still telling Pacquiao to do the random and blood test, a lot of people will not think that Pacquiao is a dirty fighter, because if he did it on this fourth fight against Marquez and the result will come out clean, then it will show that all the accusation or all the allegation thrown to Pacquiao of being dirty will be all gone. So that's it. I think it's very important, or it's a very good move for Pacquiao to suggest again the random and blood urine test. That's it. This is Prince 111705 out.